So we've fitted our sink, we're now going to fit a tap. We've already fitted the tails and the threaded bar onto this particular tap. It's got a loose base collar, a flange underneath and a nut to lock it down. So to make sure that the tap's going to be fitted centrally to the sink, sometimes it helps just to put a small piece of masking tape on each plane, so that when the tap's in position you can see if it's central to the hole. It's difficult not to see otherwise. So I'll take that flange off, place that onto the tap, offer the tails through one at a time. Then hold the tap in position. Sometimes helps to have another pair of hands for this. So underneath, from underneath we put the fixing plate on. One flex through at a time. Offer that up to the tap. Make sure the ring's in place. It's central to the hole. Get the nut. Take that up by hand. And using the appropriate size box spanner. Tighten it slightly, check that tap's in the right position and that it's in line with the sink, and when it is, I can tighten down. And it's in position.